Tired of boring dinners? Stop scrolling. Get ready for the ultimate layered delight that went completely viral. First, thinly slice your potatoes. Uniformity is key for that perfect texture. Sear high-quality ground beef until browned. Add onion and garlic for maximum flavor explosion. Mix in rich tomato paste, stock, and seasonings. Let it simmer until thick and deeply fragrant. While that simmers, whip up the creamy binder with heavy cream and seasonings. Now for the layering magic. Cream, potatoes, the rich beef filling, then the final potato layer. Finish strong with a blanket of your favorite cheeses. The more, the better. Bake until golden perfection is achieved. Wait for the glorious cheese crust. Behold the savory masterpiece. Every bite is pure, decadent comfort. The full recipe is in the description box below. If you liked it, subscribe right now, smash that like button, share this video, and support us with a comment.